Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Dynokids. I hope all of you are doing great. So today I am back with another visual discrimination and a logical thinking worksheet based on shapes and colors. With the help of this type of worksheet, child can easily make his fun time as his learning time, as this is a very enjoyable worksheet for kids. So for this worksheet I have made some boxes here and colored them differently. Also, I have drawn some basic shapes, as you could see: circle, triangle, square, heart, arrow, and then a rectangle. You can choose any shapes of your choice. This worksheet, I have created some shapes with the help of a thick sheet or a cardboard. So what's the next step is, ask the child to match these shapes with the worksheet in a particular manner. For example, this is an orange heart. So where is the heart shape? Here it is. But where is the color orange? Color orange is. So the next is red triangle. So where is the triangle shape? Here it is. And the red color is here. So like this. Now the next is rectangle. Where is the rectangle shape on the worksheet? Here it is. But where is the blue color? The color is here. Like this. So child has to match shape and the colors both all together. So now where this square shape would come, blue square, here it is. Then a green triangle should come here, a yellow triangle should come here, or a blue heart. Where is the blue heart on the worksheet? Here it is. So like this, child has to prepare all the worksheet. He has to make all these things. He can identify colors easily now. This is a red color column, then yellow, green, blue, orange, and then purple. So like this, child has to do this worksheet. This worksheet is a very easy DIY worksheet which you can easily prepare at home. So now let's catch Amish doing this fun learning worksheet. Which shape you have in your hands? Okay, so where this blue heart will come? First find out the heart row. Yes. Now, where is the blue color in this heart row? Blue color. Yes, very good. Put it properly. Very nice. Now take the next shape.
Green.
Green. Okay. So where this green heart would come? Where is the heart row? Yes, very nice. Pick the next shape. You can take any shape. Yeah?
No, this is not shape.
This is not a heart shape. Then which shape is this?
Triangle.
Okay, take the triangle shape in that case. Take this. Now tell me where this will come. Where is the triangle row? Yes, very good. Now take the next shape.
Mama.
Take the next shape.
Give one triangle or give two hearted.
Yes.
Mama.
Yeah. Very good.
best friend बन गए.
Best friend बन गए. All right. So now take the next shape.
Triangle shape.
Triangle shape. All right. if you found this video helpful, then please like, and if you tried this activity with your child, then please share your feedback in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.